ತುಂಬ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. ಇಶಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಶಾ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಈ ಥರ ಜಾಗದ ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗಿಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Namaskaram. My name is Arun Kumar. I am a Isha volunteer.
There will be any dhyana lingam here?
Not any. Dhyanlinga is only a kind. It cannot be replicated or done again. So only there it can be.
Only in Coimbatore it will be there, right? So other than that, Navagraha?
Yeah, there are Navagrahas coming up in front of Adiyogi. There will be a certain process for it after it starts in process, so it might take some more time.
So on the before Sankranti we can see that, like on 13th to 14th we can see, right? Everything will be settled up, I think.
Not really. Adiyogi and Yogeshwara Linga consecration will happen during Makar Sankranti, and then the process will start. and later on one by one process will come up.
Okay. So there will be bookings for that even, like you have to priority book those all things if we need to visit on that day, Sankranti, because
You will get the updates once you go on ishafoundation.org. You'll get all the updates
all the
regarding.
updates we can get.
Yeah, so it's going to come up. So you just have to log in into ishafoundation.org and you'll get all the information.
So can you tell about the Naga Pratisthapana? Just brief.
Yeah, it's one of a kind of naga where the most significant one, Sadhguru has said that this kind of consecration has not happened in last 800 years, and it is very mystical, and it creates a kind of an ambience where people can live for themselves. It creates a certain atmosphere, it enhances life expectancy, and it creates all the hurdles what people go through in their normal life. This is for the well-being of the people. Because Naga in the yogic lore, it's considered that the Nagas take care of the space. That's the major reason is that there is going to be an ashram here. So Naga is kind of a protector, or it safeguards this place.
So and the statue will be again 112 feet, right?
Yes.
112. So what is the, why is it 112 feet? Like I have just come across that question because I've just researched about that also. There will be in humans also there will be 112 chakras, I think. So apart from that,
That's it.
that's it. Okay. So where will be Nandi in this situation?
Nandi, it's too early to say all these things.
Okay.
But Yogeshwara Linga is complete by itself. So as you said, it's 112 feet for 112 chakras.
Then still the plannings are still going on. But once of the update, like we'll get the updates, I guess. So apart from that, anything else? Do you want to add from your side?
Apart from that, there is a Bhairavi Devi temple coming up. There are yoga practices. Yoga school is coming up, as Sadhguru said. There is like a proper ashram ambience will come up. So this is for the people nearby to experience it, to imbibe it. This is for them. We are just safeguarding it. We are just, I would say, like a security people who are just taking care of it. But this is for the people, for the local people, for the people's well-being.
So the ashram will be considered in the future days.
I would highly suggest everybody that please make use of the spiritual practices, whatever you are doing in your life, because just eating, sleeping and reproducing is not the human nature. It has much more to life, so please make use of it and go deeper into your life dimensions.
ನವಗ್ರಹ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನವಗ್ರಹ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಕಲ್ಲು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ CM ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ವ್ಯೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ